Hi everyone, it's Dr. Dave and we are on our final part of how to help support your immune system. Okay, so we covered exercise and vitamin supplements, and now we are going to cover food. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, said it best: let food be thy medicine. And this is especially true when it comes to improving our immune system. So during this episode of Dr. Dave's 411, we will discuss some of the best foods we can eat to help support our immune system. Oh, and by the way, if you like this video, make sure you check out my new exciting 24/7 website, drdavedegotti.com, for more videos and our new heart healthy recipe blog.
Okay guys, let's get out there and make a difference.
Now, there are hundreds of foods we can review, but I only have a few precious minutes with my worldwide audience. So I have limited the following discussion to 3 foods we can eat to help support our immune system, and one group in particular that we probably should limit or avoid. Before we start, quick question. Did you hear about the dentist and the manicurist? They fought tooth and nail. Okay. Immune supporter number 1, elderberry. In the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, elderberry was mentioned for its immune boosting properties.
Elderberry's all the rage.
But is there any science behind it? In a study of 60 adults with flu-like symptoms, it was observed that those who took 1 tablespoon of the elderberry syrup 4 times a day saw symptoms improve on average 4 days earlier than those who took a placebo syrup. Although this was a small study, it definitely makes us consider elderberry as a weapon in our war against viruses. Immune supporter number 2, garlic. In a study of 120 adults consuming 2.5 grams of garlic extract capsules for 45 days, a reduction in the number and severity of symptoms associated with the cold or flu was observed. Immune supporter number 3, fruits and vegetables. Okay, I know, this is a really broad category, but the truth is, if you want to support your immune system, it isn't just vitamin C, D, or zinc that is going to be most beneficial, but eating foods that have many different antioxidants, phytosterols, and vitamins, which will improve your chances of fighting off an infection. In fact, a study of 83 healthy volunteers ages 65 to 85 who consumed greater than 5 servings of fruits and vegetables a day showed a better immune response to the pneumonia vaccine than those consuming less fruits and vegetables. Immune supporter number 4. Now, this may come as a surprise. Eating foods that improve the growth of healthy bacteria in the gut can improve your immune system.
Wow. 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 Wow.
Wow. Did you know that roughly 70% of cells contributing to our immune system are found in our intestine? When the lining of the intestine is compromised due to a decrease in healthy bacteria, it can lead to a leaky gut, which means that the body is no longer protected against invaders which can go through small holes in the gut lining and enter the body. How do we support our healthy gut? Eating foods with a lot of fiber, including beans, raspberries, apples, and leafy greens, just to name a few. Immune supporter number 5, avoid refined carbohydrates and sugar. Studies have shown that sugar may impair white blood cell function, and rapid rise in blood sugar levels may increase the risk of infections. What are some of the refined carbohydrates that we're referring to? Examples include white rice, white bread, French fries, and highly processed cereals. Okay everyone, there you have it, the 411 on food and the immune system and supporting it. One quick joke before I go. Did you know my doctor told me I had type A blood, but it was a typo? Typo. All right, everybody, I'll stick with cardiology. Until next time, this is Dr. Dave.